All right, last page, last video for 1-7. Example 4, write an absolute value inequality. So number 1, members of the debate team are traveling to a tournament where they will stay in a hotel for 4 nights. The total cost for each member must be within $20 of $175. Which of the hotels shown can they consider? Okay, so when it says within $20, that means it can be $20 more than $175 or $20 less than $175. That's what that means. So the first thing that we're going to do is let X mean which of the hotels shown can they consider for the number of nights is what we're looking for. So we're going to let X be the cost per night. And then for any of the hotel rooms, we don't know which one yet because we need to know what their cost range is going to be. So your setup is going to be the difference meaning subtraction, difference in total cost, and $175. And then we need to be less than a $20 difference on either side. So we're going to have less than or equal to, because it can be $20 more or $20 less or somewhere in between, not more than 20 though. And then 20 goes on our other side. That's our setup. So how many nights they're going to stay? Looks like 4. So I've got 4 nights, $20 and $175. So we're going to say it's going to be the absolute value of 4x minus 175, absolute value, is less than or equal to 20. And then that breaks up into 2 separate items. So if something is less than, or if they're positive 20, that means we're going $20 more than 175. So our maximum cost is going to be the same. This would be your same option, where you take 4x minus 175 is less than or equal to 20. Then on our other side, we'll have the minimum, where we change it to negative 20. That would be $20 less than 175. And that's going to be our minimum. So then we'll have 4x minus 175. And instead of less than or equal to, we're going to change it to greater than or equal to negative 20. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and we're going to solve each one of these. So let's do the one on the left first in blue. First, going to add 175 on either side, just like always. And 175 plus 20 is 195. So I get 4x is less than or equal to 195. Excuse me. Then I'm going to divide by 4 on either side, and I get x is less than or equal to $48.75. All right, now let's find out what the minimum is. We're going to add 175 on either side. Oops. And we're going to get 4x is greater than or equal to 155. Then we're going to divide by 4 on either side, and we get x is greater than or equal to 38.75. So our minimum is $38.75, and our maximum is $48.75. So we can't really afford Hotel C. Hotel C is not going to be a thing that we can afford. So the members of this debate team, and can choose between uh-oh, what happened? Sorry, pressed the wrong button. You can choose between Hotel A and Hotel B. And that's it. That's it. Okay, so let's do number 2. If the debate team increased their limit to $200 plus or minus 20, would they be able to afford Hotel D at $55 per night? Explain. So we have to set up the same thing, but instead of it being $175, it's going to be $200. So we're still going to go ahead and let X equal cost per night. And then we're still going to use the same setup. So difference in total cost and 175. So the total cost is the number of nights is still 4x, but our total cost is now 200. So our setup is going to be something like absolute value of 4x minus 200 is less than or equal to, and again, we're still talking about $20 difference between over 200 and under 200. So then you need to complete this. Try it out. Try the rest of this problem and see if you can interpret it. And then I will see you later.